Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing today? Good, because are you ready for these southern pinto beans? Come on in the kitchen. So guys, what we have today is some southern pinto beans. That's what I'm going to show you how I create my southern pinto beans. Now, this is a quick, easy, simple recipe, and you're only going to use some bacon. Now, I'm using bacon because I got to get rid of the bacon because I don't want it to go spoil on me or anything, okay? And you're going to also need some bell pepper, onion, and you can also add some celery if you want to. I mean, that's your choice. And of course, use whatever seasoning that you prefer. So I'm going to start off by putting us some olive oil in here. Just a little, maybe a tablespoon, okay? And so, yeah, I'm going to get this oil around in here because I don't need all that sticking. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump my meat over in my pan because I need my meat to start cooking. It's not going to cook all the way, but I would like to get it to cooking, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and break it on up, get it together in there, because I just want to, like I said, I just want to put like a little fry on it, just a little fry, you know, nothing major. But you know, you guys, you can always, you know, like I said, use whatever meat you want to use. You know, I have cooked beans in so many ways on this channel to, you know, I just said, you know what, let me go ahead and show them this pinto bean recipe. And I'm just, now all of these onions and bell pepper, I'm only using some for now, but I will use some more because we're going to let that cook down because we want that flavor in there, right? Just like that. So, yeah, we're going to go on and we're going to put our seasoning on here. I always use a little meat tenderizer, even if it is bacon. But, you know, that's how your girl do, right? That's how I do. And we're going to put up some black pepper. Now, you know, I don't know. It all depends on how much pepper you want. But I want a lot of flavor. I'm going to use a little slap your mama. Just a little. For the spices, you know what I'm saying. Now, when it comes to your beans, please, this is a little garlic powder. Garlic powder. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to stir that on up in there. Oh, my goodness. You guys, if you can smell the flavor. Now, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit because I started on high. Because, like I said, I just want to. Don't forget to always sort your beans, you guys. So, I have some pinto beans I already sorted, and I also put a soak on them. Now, I can use the same water because, as you guys can tell, it's definitely clear. And we're just going to go ahead and put this on in here. Just like so. And we're going to add us some more water. And just enough to cover our beans, right? See all that flavor and seasoning on top? Just enough to cover our beans. And we're going to let these cook on medium-high for the first maybe 40 minutes. Don't forget to add your lid on here because, like I say, we want to cook this on medium medium high. So yeah, put your lid on and let's go. You guys, at this point we have some cornbread and we have some baked chicken thighs bone in. And so yeah, your girl just want to show you what's going to go with this pot of southern pinto beans. You guys, you cannot deny this is going to be a good meal. This is a delicious meal, especially in the comfort weather zone. Okay, so there's nothing like some comfort food. So let's check on our pot of beans, you guys. Check on our pot of beans. Now, you see they are coming together. They have plumped up and they're beginning to get into their stage of where they're going to be. You guys, you still see the chunks of the bell peppers and the onions. That's going to be a delicious pot. You hear me? You guys, if you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel. And if you're not part of the fam, what are you waiting on anyway? Come join your girl. I would love to have you. Leave a comment below if you would like to see more videos more often. I can't determine what your mind is thinking. Come on into the kitchen with Miss T, or you could call me Miss Jonesy. But anywho, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you can get all notifications when I come up. You guys, I would love to have you. Okay guys, so let's check on our beans. Look at there. They're nice and tender. And you see all the juices it has created, has become thickened. You guys. So yeah, this is a quick comfort food meal. Let me check out. Our beans are pork tender. Now you can add some rice on the side. And like I said, you can always switch up your meat. But this is a simple recipe that you can do with all flavor of beans. And yeah, you guys, I'm going to enjoy me a bowl with some cornbread, as you see. You guys, I have made some cornbread over here. You know, over here, as you can see. And let's see. Let's just pick up this pan of barbecue chicken. You guys, check out that. Check out that barbecue chicken thighs. So yeah, that will complete my meal for today. Something simple, easy, and delicious, and a very quick recipe, you guys. But the main goal was this pot of pinto beans, or one may call it red beans, but your girl just, you know, she liked to dabble in it. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And share this video with any and everyone. Let them know on this channel you get soul food, comfort food, southern food. And it be simple recipes, you guys. Simple recipes that you can enjoy and share with the fam. Okay? Share with the fam. But until then, you guys, I'm going to get ready, close this video out. And I'm going to let this actually cook just a little more, because they are done. They are done. And once I turn this pot off, the juices will thicken. And it's time to enjoy this quick meal, you guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And tell everybody what I do on this channel, you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.